Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to link EA accounts with Steam. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for ea.com. So you need to make sure that you have a Steam account to do this, okay? So once you've done that, just go ahead and click on the profile button at the upper right side of your screen beside the question mark button or icon. And now just go ahead and click on sign in. And now you want to click on the Steam icon. And now you need to sign in with your account name and password. Okay? You need to remember that you need to sign in with your Steam account. Okay? So once you've done that, your EA account and your Steam account will be linked in. So that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.